Terrace and only terrace, look up. Look down. Everybody heads up. And first, take it down high.
You sure? Yeah. Okay. Wait, where's everyone? There's kind. Yeah. I don't want our group to be too big though. So, just us three, I guess. I think Dylan went here, so let's tell him to get lost or something. Oh, it's Jared. I'm staying away. So did we start or? Okay. Let's see. There's Dylan right there. I don't like this. Our group is too big. Oh, great. I don't think we're allowed in the trailer. Okay, no, really? Oh. Nico, can you ask the ref if we're allowed in the trailer? Oh, he said earlier that we couldn't though, for other game modes. Okay, cool. Everyone is here. Yeah. Guys, get away! Why? Get away! I don't like this. Here, you watch that side, I'll just watch this side and keep everyone back. Yeah, let's just stay behind cover though.
They're attacking!
What the crap? Stop it! That almost ricocheted and hit me. Okay. I wanted to shoot you just once. Let's say we got one of them. Let's say we got one of them. We got one of them! We got one of them! Don't shoot! Hey, Dylan, I'm behind you. We shot, what's his name? Tate. No, we shot him, because he shot, Hudson. Yeah, well, the guy with the 4-star, I think he's good because he was with us, but I don't know about Jared. So there's one traitor, so there's probably one more, or else the ref would have called game. Who? 4-star guy? Or Jared? Oh, okay. Here, do you want to go find him? Okay, I'm right here. So where are they? Are they on the left? What? Shoot who? Wait. Bang, bang. You're dead. I shot you. Okay. You went like this, so I wasn't sure. These two are down. There's one in the back right. Two on the left. Okay, guy in the back right saw me shoot them. Okay. The guy in the back right saw me shoot him. Hi. Don't shoot me. I think the guy in the back is a traitor because we shot one of them already. Well, he's shooting. Hey, back right. Back right. No, behind you more. He's in the back right corner. Behind the big house. He's down. Yeah. I think I got him. Did I get you? No, not you, him. I hit him in the goggles, I think. Okay, wait, he's not out, apparently. Sorry. Ref game. And rain. Dang it.